Welcome back to our channel, where your gardening dreams come alive. Today, we're diving into the world of perennials, those fantastic flowers that bloom year after year with barely any effort. Get ready to transform your garden into a vibrant, low-maintenance paradise with our top 10 long-blooming, easy-care perennial flowers. Let's jump right in. First up is the black-eyed Susan. These bright yellow blooms with dark centers attract butterflies and bees. They bloom from early summer to fall and are super drought tolerant. Next, the daylily, known for its vibrant hues and trumpet-shaped blooms. Daylilies thrive in various soil conditions and need minimal watering. They come in many colors, perfect for mixing and matching. Third is the hardy coneflower. Beautiful and medicinal, these flowers resist drought and bloom from midsummer to fall. Birds love their seeds, attracting feathered friends to your garden. Fourth, the sedum, or stone crop, thrives in hot, dry spots. With succulent leaves and star-shaped flowers, they bloom late in the summer and last into the fall. At number 5 is the Russian sage, a showstopper with tall, airy spires of lavender blue flowers. It's drought-tolerant and deer-resistant, adding elegance to any garden. Sixth, we have the Shasta daisy. These cheerful white flowers with yellow centers bloom from early summer to early fall. They're easy to grow and perfect for cutting and bringing indoors. Seventh is the hellebore or Lenten rose, blooming in late winter to early spring. Evergreen and thriving in shady spots, they're ideal for under trees or woodland gardens. Eighth is the catmint with its long spikes of lavender blue flowers. Aromatic and drought tolerant, it's a favorite among pollinators. Number 9, the coreopsis or tickseed features bright, daisy-like flowers that bloom all summer. They thrive in poor soil and are very drought tolerant, available in a variety of colors. Finally, the peony, known for its large, fragrant blooms in late spring to early summer. Peonies require minimal care and can live for decades, coming back year after year. These top 10 perennials are perfect for any gardener looking to add color and beauty with minimal effort. Happy gardening!